K-SWAB, we're here right now at the Star Bar. We're getting it in. I just bumped into this young lady right here, and she is doing her thing. This is Project X-Ray. You know what it do. K-SWAB. Candace, what you do?
Hey guys, I am from Organized Noise Dungeon Family. Sponsorships, endorsements, holla at your girl. Management, Rico Wade, Ray Murray, Sleepy Brown, Big Rube, Dungeon Family.
How long you been in the game?
Man, I've been in and out of it. I am my own boss. I actually Organized Noise, Rico Wade, Ray Murray, Sleepy Brown, they actually started it, so I kind of dip and dab out of it. I've been doing it for years. I am my own boss, so I come and go as I please. I like to live a regular life, and like that list is long, but I left some names off. I don't like to, like to stay up under the radar.
I got a question for you. What made you get into the game? What made you do what you do?
I was kind of forced into it. Like I say, my cousin is Big Rube. He's one of the best spoken word lyricists out here in Atlanta. They call him the voice of the South. So that's forced into it.
So you got some links. Where can we see you at? Can we see you anywhere? What can we see you on?
I'm on Facebook. You guys can hit me up. Candace Liaison, CANDISLIAISON. That's Candace Liaison on Facebook. Yeah, y'all get at me. I'm a little bit slow on the Facebook. They talk about me, but I am now starting to, do my own Facebook. I'm on Instagram. It takes me about 40 minutes to put something on there. In my Facebook name, I don't know, my Instagram name is CC Candace, CANDIS. Y'all just get at me. I do sponsorships and endorsements. If you need your oh my God. We at the Star Bar, it's loud. Y'all need to be out here, man. They just got stuff coming out of nowhere. But y'all just get at me. We'll do shows, bookings, all that.
Well, you know what? I'm glad to get the opportunity to interview. I know you got bad things going on, and I'm hoping y'all out there is listening to her right here.
And I got one more thing to say, K-SWAB.
What?
If you got any type of clothing, any hat, anything that you want us to put on the video, get at me. Candace Lee, Liaison. CC Candace at Instagram. Y'all holla at me, I'll put you on. I'm out. A-Town down. Yeah.
You know what? I don't want to give you the wrong impression. I need that love and that affection. I don't want to sound like I'm too desperate, baby, but I need it. I need it. I need it. There's somebody out there know what I'm talking about. Rather be with you, yeah. I'd rather be with you.
It's your boy K-SWAB right here. I'm standing here with the ultimate, the infamous Mike Patterson. He is doing his thing. MP is in the building. He done played everybody out the building because everybody's scared because they couldn't get with him. Mike B, What's up with you, man?
Hey man, I'm just doing my thing, you know what I mean? I'm working on my new album. I got records out right now with Future, you know, the Rihanna song, you know, it's doing well. And I'm just blessed to be a part of it, you know
Hey,
what I mean?
what links can we hit you? You got some websites or what?
Well, you can hit me on my Facebook at Michael B. Patterson or on my YouTube at The Real Mike P. Funk. The Real Mike P. Funk on my YouTube channel. But yeah, that's about what's going on.
Yo, I thank you for the love and thank you for the respect.
All right, appreciate that.
I heard somebody back here repping my shit without me. That's what I so stupid.
Okay, well, let's What's up? What's up? What's up? Many composers with my friends.
What's up, my little? New artist? You better stop playing, Rico. You better stop playing, Rico. New artist? We got the new artist. Well, you know what? I need my next interview with you. Let me get my IP right quick. Hey, Orlando. It's okay. It's just oh yeah, you never met Jay.
Hi, what's going on?
Orlando, this is Managed Fiction. This is also one of my business partners who
I've heard so much about you. How are you?
Thank you. I look forward to your show.
Thanks. Yeah, it's going to be great. And we have a lot of people performing in it.
Variety show.
She keeps behind my back. She beats me all the time, but I still take her back. She said that I must not touch me, go my best friend, go tell her mother and sister. Think that I'm the type people heard that says I'm a clown. My life is going down when I call her on the phone. Always keep the run around. My love is going down. Hey, won't you let me up? I say I really care, but you don't give a fuck. My life is really sucks. I'm kinda like a job. Nothing I ever do, it ever seems to work. But I work a job. At the pick up 2, 3, I'm a slacker ass. My boss is trying to fire me, so you treat me like I'm trash. That's how you know away. I know my life okay. Every time you walk away, you never wait to say hi. You never look my way. I don't exist in your world, but you don't notice me. I'm not your type of guy. I'm not your type of dude. You think I'm just a jerk. You think I'm so uncool.
Rico Wade. This guy right here is off the chain and he does his thing. And y'all love him for what he do.
Goody Mob, C. Witch Doctor, Backbone, Cool Breeze. Went to school with him, but the whole Dungeon family, TLC, I put them together. I never really bragged about it, but I did. Don't give up on yourself, man. And don't think you too good. L.A. Reid is my big brother. Yeah, the future will look good. I am Atlanta.
Rico Wade, K-SWAB, Success TV.
DL, man. 20th anniversary next year. Come